This tutorial is on dropped stitches when working in garter stitch. It's handy to have a crochet hook to fix these dropped stitches. When you're knitting along, you might drop a stitch off the tip of your needle, and it might even unravel a ways. Or you might choose to drop down like this to fix a problem that was several rows back. Here, we've dropped down to this purl stitch. We can tell it's a purl stitch because it has this bump. And since we're working in garter, we know the next stitch is going to be a knit stitch. So to reconstruct this all the way up, we put our crochet hook in our loop and pull the bar through that loop from the back. Now we want to reconstruct a purl stitch. So we want to put our bar in front of our loop and use our crochet hook to come from behind the loop and grab the bar and pull it through. We just constructed a purl stitch, so now we need to do a knit stitch. So we come through the loop from the front, grab that bar and pull it through. Now a purl stitch. So we put the bar in front of our stitch, and then we grab that bar through the back of the stitch and pull it through the front. Now we need to just mount the stitch on our needle. We should be putting the stitch on with the leading leg in the front, but I've just mounted the stitch on backwards with the leading leg in the back. Most importantly, you just want to get the stitch back on your needle. Now, as you're knitting along, you can see the leading leg is in the back. So we can just knit the stitch through the back of the loop, and that will correct the problem. If you want more information on this, you can see twisted stitches. So that is dropped stitches when working in garter stitch.